It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 15th of December. I'm James Spann. The weather will stay unseasonably mild through Friday, then some rain to deal with at times on Saturday as the weekend begins. Here we go. This is the upper air look, a very, very deep upper trough coming into the western states, producing cold, unsettled weather there and a lot of wind out across the nation's heartland today, but ridging in place here across the deep south. That means very dry, pleasant weather. Temperatures to start the day all over the board. We've got 38 for Aniana, 50 just up the road at Coleman. But today high should be close to 70 in most locations. That's about 13 degrees above average for the 15th of December. And boy, look at this. High wind warnings in effect for much of the Great Plains, the upper Midwest, parts of the Great Lakes. Winter storm watches and warnings in effect for many of the mountainous states out west. And again, the east is fairly quiet. And look at this, a moderate risk of severe storms later today and tonight. That is level 4 out of 5 for parts of Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. And the broader risk runs from near Tulsa up to the UP of Michigan. The main issue, it's wind with storms that form up there. That you see the hatched area, that means there could be some significant wind damage from thunderstorms. 45% chance, about a 50-50 chance of damaging thunderstorm winds in that moderate risk area up north with a very dynamic system coming in there. So we'll be watching that. Down here, of course, we're quiet. This is tomorrow, a marginal risk around the Arklatex region back up toward Little Rock. And then day 3, Friday, no severe storms expected. And then day 4, this is Saturday. Again, severe storms not expected, although we will see some rain and maybe some thunder Saturday here in Alabama. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The really big numbers out west. Here in the deep south, heavier totals north and west of Alabama. For most spots around here, the total's close to 1/2 inch. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 3. Look at that very sharp negative tilt shortwave coming out across the Great Plains states. Of course, down here we have ridging, and for us, sunny, high close to 70. A deep surface low over Nebraska. Snow in the cold air north and west of that feature. Strong severe storms developing south and east of that. And note the tight pressure gradient, so very windy. Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, even without thunderstorms, they could see some wind damage there today. This is tomorrow. We're still dry. Low 70s, the sky partially sunny, showers north and west of the state. And the same thing on Friday. We could see mid-70s in spots. The record high Friday is 73, set in 1984. We could break that. And again, partially sunny. Now, Saturday, the cold front pushes in. The ridge weakens. We'll have a chance of showers. Not going to rain all day, but occasional showers are likely. And this is the surface-based instability. No doubt there could be some thunder, but again, dynamic support is weak. Severe storms are not expected, which is a good thing. The high Saturday will drop to still pretty mild, 67 to 70. And Sunday, we're starting to see evidence now the front will have enough push to make it all the way into the Gulf. And if that's the case, Sunday will be dry, the sky becoming partially sunny, noticeably cooler, the high low to mid-50s. Monday, the day still looking dry. The high Monday would be around 60. And then Tuesday, here comes the next wave with rain. So the modeling looking a little different with this next feature. This is suggesting rain after midnight Monday night into Tuesday morning. This is Tuesday morning at 6. And then by Tuesday afternoon, the rain beginning to push out. And would be in the 50s all day Tuesday with rain falling, no severe weather. Then a week from today, Wednesday, the 22nd of December, that wave is on to the east, and we are sunny and cool with a high probably upper 50s, very close to seasonal averages. Let's just go out to Christmas Day. What do you say? This is the output for Saturday, December 25th. Ridging a little to the west, a northwest flow aloft, and if this verifies, we are quiet, dry. The high Saturday, Christmas Day, would be probably in the low 60s, a little above average, but not by far. If you're looking for a white Christmas, head west. A lot of snow in the mountains out there. Temperature anomalies on Christmas Day. You see the blue, that means temperatures could be below average over much of the east, above average a bit to the west. We've seen different signals in here, but the bottom line is things look awfully quiet Christmas Day. Rain for Birmingham off the European Ensemble, about 2 inches between now and the 28th of the month. Temperatures, the old roller coaster ride. The national blend of models here showing low 70s tomorrow through Saturday, then 50s for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Then get highs low 60s for the latter half of next week toward Christmas. And the latest CPC outlook, this is for the period December 22nd through the 28th. And with the ridge-in-place, temperatures around here for that stretch would likely be a bit above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.